Hello, welcome to my new channel. I'ma teach you figure drawings. I learned figure drawings by one of my favorite artists. I used to be stuck on figure drawings too, but now I'm not because of that method. It's almost 100% working. Now let me get out of the frame. I honestly do not know what that was for. In all seriousness, this is my first video on my YouTube channel, and if you will be nice, please smash the like button. We need the like button. And smash the subscribe button, bro. Please, just do it. Do it. Anyway, I'm gonna teach you a method of figure drawings, like I said before. So enjoy the video. And now let's cut to me getting ready. We got everything we need. We have a pencil, paper, and a marker, and this thing, but this is just for detailed stuff. We're not gonna really add detail, so we don't really need these. So right now, I have two demonstrations, one crouched and one that is standing, neutral stand, you know, very simple, very, you know, neutral. So I'm going to show you an example on how I do this using this method that I've learned from one of my favorite artists, David Finch, and ZHC, who you guys could go check out. He has a YouTube channel. It's pretty neat. So we got two examples right here. Okay, so the way that I do this is I start from the neck area, which is this area. You know, same thing on the other side. The same area. So I'm gonna move this a little lower. Yes, perfecto. Now that it is moved lower, I'm going to draw a little pose up here. So very simple, very neutral. You start out with that area, and think of the torso as a vest. So, you know, a vest. Very neutral. Very neutral, very normal. Vest with this hole for the with 4 holes, one down there, which is the bottom of the rib cage. And this is gonna be a pretty bad example, but it's gonna be very, very nice. So now it's time for the crotch areas. For the crotch area, think of it as underwear. Literally. Underwear. Yeah, I sound so weird saying that. So basically just a pair of underwear with holes that come here, which is the hips. And then you connect this. And now for the arms and legs. So that's the neck, by the way. That's a thick neck. Anyway, so the way that we do this would be, I'm gonna make a very neutral stand once again. The arm would go to around right here. So the first area, and then the second section of the arm over here. So same thing with this one. So you make basically almost a long upside down triangle for the upper area. As you can see, it's basically an long upside down triangle. So we just do that, and then for this one, we have a little bulge out, and then, you know, very usual. And then the fist, you don't have to add this, but actually you kind of do it when you're making the full drawing. This is really full drawing. So the same thing over here. Okay, perfecto. So this looks a little cartoonish, but it's just the underdrawing. So now for the legs. The legs are basically literally almost the same thing, except for the lower section of the legs. So the lower section of the legs is, the top is a thick triangle instead of a skinny one. Why am I saying thick? Oh my gosh. So we start out. I could do if you guys would like, I could do anatomy tutorials, if that's okay with you. I mean, you guys tell me in the comments what you guys would like my next video to be. So it's similar to this, except way less bulky and more realistic. I guess that's the word. So this looks kind of like a monkey character, not gonna lie. It was very weird, but that's basically the method. If you would like a more crouched effect, you know, I'm gonna draw some of the things from different angles. So let me just fix this. Cut to that. I'm gonna cut to that. Okay, so that's basically it. Make sure these are the same size. This looks a little wonky, I believe, but it should look more like that. So, oh yeah, that looks really wonky. So that's it. I'm gonna just fix that. I'm really sorry, it's really bothering me. Okay, that's a little better. Still really wonky, but that's not really important because this is, after all, is just the underdrawing. It's not really the actual legit drawing. And that neck is really thick. Just ignore the neck and everything else. So this is basically what you're supposed to do. So the vest area, which is the torso, should be drawn from the front like this. With obviously these, and from the side, draw it like this. From the side, it's kind of an oval, and then the body would be something like right here, you know, and then the butt. This area, you know, the leg, really pretty weird, and then the foot, and the arm, the head would be something like right here, I believe, yep. Oh, that's a little hunchback, but the arm. So something like that right here. So now from this, that's basically it from the side. The underwear from the front. Very simple. Something like that. And that's basically it. To make it more dynamic, you could go more smoothly, because as you can see, I went a little rough, which makes it look less dynamic, but you could go more lightly, because this is just so you guys could see. But I guess that's it. For a more dynamic pose, like that Spider-Man pose down there, I'm not sure I have time to give that a try, but from the side, forward, and one thing that's really important is if it's hunched over like this, make sure that it's the connection line from here to here is a little curved, and so yeah, then make sure it's a little curved. Don't forget foreshortening. If you guys would like, I can make a tutorial on that. Just tell me in the comments what I'm doing. thank you for watching this video. If you like the video, please smash the like button, like the YouTubers say these days. And please subscribe if you will, cause it'll help me a lot and I'll be very grateful.